15 ways to keep your relationship strong and healthy. 1. Never talk about breakups. 2. Don't say you're okay when you're not. 3. When you say sorry, you have to mean it. 4. Forget about your pride and ego. 5. Don't ever compare your past with your present. 6. Give your partner space. 7. Recognize that all relationships have their ups and downs. 8. Resolve arguments together. 9. Make your partner a priority. 10. Don't argue over money. 11. Share your thoughts with each other. 12. Focus on the positives. 13. Respect each other when arguing. 14. Set goals as a couple. 15. Trust, support, and be honest with each other.
Drop a yes if you agree.